我の存在を感じるか、人の子よ。己自身の運命を見通すことはかなわん。その青き瞳はいずれ貴様から全てを奪い去る。
Is this eye actually the Byakugan? Does it really possess that kind of power? Where am I?
I'm talking to you through your dream.
A dream? But who are you?
Boruto Uzumaki. The eye you possess is a star of hope against the approaching destruction.
What?
The power of hope slumbers deep within you.
You mean in this eye?
And with that eye, you will shoulder the fate of this world. My hope is that your eye will guide you to the light which will dispel darkness.
You think you fly, but your swag attract masses. They want my sauce because I'm a chick mad. I've been working my hat and I'm pull out a rabbit. Want me to let us, I chop out the couch.
It appears the rumors about him reaching Phase 3 were true after all.
Well done, Koki. Blasting all this bothersome machinery to bits as well. Quite impressive.
Look a bit closer, Delta. It seems that he's just as impressive.
I got my hand on the truck. I got my hand on her puss. All in the nigga that puss. He walk her way like a wuss. I got that paper like books. I can't pull up in some book. Walking that bitch and the bitches they look. All of these niggas. Judas is the demon I cling to.
忍びの時代は終わる。
I cling to.